If you need to convert RGB to CMYK without Photoshop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to do it for free, using tools that work right in your browser. This is especially useful if you're preparing artwork for print, making sure your colors are more accurate, or just need a quick conversion without paying for Photoshop. If this video helps, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more practical tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's look at the fastest browser-based option, and that is Photopea. Photopea is a free web app that works a lot like Photoshop, but you don't need to install anything and you don't need to sign up. It's a great choice if you want a quick and familiar workflow. Open your browser and go to photopea.com. Once the site loads, simply drag and drop your image file directly onto the canvas workspace. You can use common image formats like PNG or JPEG, and Photopea will load them into the editor. Now, to convert the document from RGB to CMYK, go to the top menu bar, click Image, then select Mode, and then choose CMYK. As soon as you do that, the file will switch into CMYK color mode. This is the key step because CMYK is the color format used for most professional printing workflows. After the conversion, take a moment to check your image carefully. Since CMYK has a different color range than RGB, some colors may look slightly different after the switch. That's completely normal. Bright neon colors, deep blues, and very saturated reds can shift a little when converted for print. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to export. Go to File, then choose Export As, and select either TIFF or PDF. These formats are ideal when you want to preserve high-quality embedded CMYK data for printing. If you're sending the file to a print shop, this is often the safest choice. Now let's move to the second method, which is best if you just want a simple one-click style conversion for a single image file. For this, you can use a trusted free converter site like rgb2cmyk.org or polotino.com/tools/rgb to CMYK. These online tools are designed for fast color conversion without needing a full editor. Open the converter in your browser and click Choose File. Upload your RGB image, whether it's a JPEG or PNG. After the file loads, you'll usually see output options that let you control how the converted file will be saved. Next, select your destination parameters. If you want a high-quality master file for print, choose TIFF. If you just need a more standard output, JPEG may be available too. You'll also want to choose the right CMYK profile. For North American printing, US Web Coated Swap V2 is commonly used. For European printing, Coated Fogra 39 is a common choice. Picking the correct profile helps your final print colors stay as accurate as possible. Once your settings are ready, click Start or Convert. The tool will process your image and generate a new CMYK file for download. Save the converted file to your computer and you're done. A quick tip before you finish: if your design is going to a commercial printer, always ask them which CMYK profile they prefer. That small detail can make a big difference in how your final print looks. Also, if your artwork contains logos, gradients, or brand colors, it's smart to do a test export first so you can compare the screen version with the print version. So to recap, if you want to convert RGB to CMYK without Photoshop, Photopea is the best browser editor method, and the direct online converters are perfect for fast single-file conversions. Both options are free, simple, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy software tips, and check out the next video for more useful workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.